I want to get into what we're seeing on the food and beverage side. You've had volume plus 3%, revenue plus 6%. Is that a nod to increases in food prices that we're witnessing?
No, actually, it's more a factor of the trend towards healthier eating. So we're seeing very strong demand for our solutions that help our customers make healthy food tastier and tasty food healthier, and our ability to help them reformulate, take sugar out and add things like fiber back in is really benefiting that side of our business.
So that is a product mix story. Just give us a sense what you're seeing there around inflation, because it's been an ongoing story. We were digesting some Kantar numbers yesterday, and we couldn't really get a sense of what was playing out with inflation on the food side. What are you seeing now, and what do you anticipate will happen down the line?
Well, we're seeing early signs of some inflationary pressures on the business, and obviously, like all other businesses, we're evaluating how best to navigate through that, both with productivity and managing the mix of our business to make sure we maintain our margins.
Nick, have you got any more on primary products? I know the market was looking for a little bit more on the sale of the controlling stake.
No, I mean, really nothing more to say at this point. Both businesses are performing very well. We think the potential transaction is a way of accelerating the strategy of both businesses from a position of strength, and we'll update the market when appropriate.
Interesting, in a note this morning, Investec arguing or making the case that until we get that, we won't see both businesses realise the full potential. Do you agree with the analysis?
Look, I think this is a very front foot move to accelerate the strategy of both businesses. If the transaction's successful, we end up with two strong companies with potential for growth. If for whatever reason a transaction doesn't occur, then we still are executing the strategy of the businesses very successfully, and we'll continue to do that.
Nick, I've bored my colleagues senseless with my new dietary habits over the last couple of years, so I'm going to bore you senseless with it now. But then perhaps not, because you've got new products revenue up 21% as well. Is it all about less meat and less dairy, or is there something else going on?
Look, I think it's all about an increasing focus around the world on healthier eating. The pandemic, if anything, has accelerated all of those trends towards food with less sugar, food with less fat, and all of the new products that we've brought to market in the last 12 months are really focused in that area. So it really is about plant-based, better for you eating, and as you know, with the focus on health and wellness with COVID, those trends are accelerating, and we believe are here to stay, which is great news for the food and beverage solutions business.